Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back to TV Gourmet, where I teach y'all how to eat right out the box. Yo, so today we got the fuck evol garlic herb steak in a sauce with tri-cut potatoes and butter seasoned broccoli. Oh, snap. So before we begin, let me remind y'all out there, like, comment, subscribe for your boy so he can feel the love. Wait, is that what did these motherfuckers put the logo on backwards? Is a mirror image? Did they? Oh, snap. Did they put this on backwards on the box? Is that what it's supposed to do? Your boy all confused up in these streets, yo. Well, anyway, we talking about evol garlic herb steak. Let's see what it be looking like. Snap. We got them steaks with the potatoes and them broccolis. Let's see what we playing with here, son. Ooh. Why just be looking black with it? This be looking mad gamey. But let's see what this is. Why this bitch be grassy with it? This be tasting like straight up grasses rolling in the grass with this mug. Damn. Poker chip coaster. Help your boy out. Wow. Garlic herb. Garlic grass steak. What the hell? This looks like somebody mowed the lawn on this mug. And the grass just blew all over this steak and potatoes. Look at that. What the hell? Did they just empty the leaf bag on this TV dinner? I got the windows shut. The windows is shut up on this mug. I don't be understanding where this grass, how did it blow in there? That grass blew up all my shit right up here. I mean, it says in a sauce, but where the hell is the sauce at? There ain't no sauce on there. It's just grass. It's just grass. Did that mean to play grass? And garlic herb steak in grass with tri-cut potato. That's what I think they meant to say. I don't see no. I'm moving this shit out the way. Where's the sauce at? I don't see no sauce. Anyhow, shit, there's grass. Your boy grazing up in these streets. Look. I don't know what that means. What they be thinking? Evol. I don't evol this TV dinner. Or maybe this TV dinner is evil. Maybe that's what they meant to say. They just misspelled that shit. It ain't mirror image. They just misspelled. They need to replace that O with an I. These bitches up in here. Loving what you eat is all about enjoying bold, earth, elevated flavor. Fuck that shit, bitch. This is grass. You got your boy grazing up here. Look, I'm out. I'm finished with this bullshit. Grassy steak, bitch. Deuce.